Peeps, you know what saying when say bad luck was not over. Imagine being a part of a family where one of your family member was shot and killed, and 3 months later his father was also murdered. It says Dennis Ramdial gunned down 3 months after son was murdered. Sadly, boy, I tell you, this not look good. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment, please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
In a dramatic and cruel development, just 3 months after Dennis Ramdial's son Richard was killed on Ruthven Road in St. Andrew, he was brutally gunned down at his business place on Beechwood Avenue in St. Andrew yesterday evening. It is understood that the older Ramdial was outside his business place when he was shot several times by his attacker, who, according to police at the scene of the murder, was riding a motorcycle. Ramdial was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Onlookers close to the scene of the murder, while refusing to be identified, expressed their shock at the brutal way in which Dennis met his demise. "I can't believe Mr. Ramdial dead. I'm weak. I can't eat now," a man who rode up on a bicycle said, shaking his head. Another man was heard saying that after Richard's death, he wondered if the gunman would strike again, but he never imagined it would have been yesterday. The Murder Investigation Division of the Consta-bulary Force is probing the matter. I tell you. Peeps, it is impossible not to speculate if you have been following the fortunes of this family in recent times. I mean, his son Richard was killed 3 months ago on Ruthven Avenue when armed men shot up his Mercedes-Benz SUV in the middle of traffic. I know 3 months later his father was executed outside his business place. Something is wrong here. Well, the police confirmed that Richard's death was a contract killing. Apparently, Mr. Ramdial, Dennis now, also his death also seemed like a contract killing. You understand? So what could these men have done? What could this family have done for persons to have wanted to get rid of both father and son who are businessmen? Something is amiss. Something went wrong somewhere. Somebody was crossed somewhere. Somebody's upset somewhere. It is sad. It really is sad. You understand? And it is impossible for me to sit here and speculate as to what went on. But at the end of the day, these were two productive citizens of the country. These were persons who provide employment for Jamaicans. These were persons who were contributing to the economy of Jamaica. If they had done wrong, then boy, it rough. You understand? And people say them deserve it, but I cannot say that because I don't know what the situation. But based on what I am seeing now is that two productive citizens of the country has been murdered, and to me, based on my limited knowledge of these things, both that seems to be a contract hit, and both that seem to be linked. Who is next? I don't know. Something is wrong here though, and persons will say if the police had dealt with the investigation in relation to the son's murder, probably they would have captured or made advances in capturing the persons responsible, and the father would probably be still alive. I cannot speculate on that either because I don't know what the situation is, but it's just sad. Peeps, boy, may I tell you, be careful here. I'm gone. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.